pond set up right here. You know, check it out. This is the main tank right here. And over there is I guess an overflow. And then what I got back here, check it out, is that's a, where's that? That right there, that, believe it or not, is a filter. You got like rocks, sand, and just all this kind of stuff in there that filters it. Charcoal, sand, gravel, mesh to catch everything. It's, matter of fact, let's go look at it real quick. Emma, here's, you know, Emma, that's Emma. Hello. But anyways, let's go look at it real quick. Just check it out. Oh, here we go. Boy. Oh my God. Anyways, in there, you can't really see it, but it is it's just rock, gravel, and sand. The thing's probably like 200 pounds, easy. But let me show you something else. Oh. So, as you can see, the water's pouring out, and it's coming from there. But where's the water getting in there? From there. Well, I'll show you. Woo! Get the goats, get the goats. That's Joe. Hey, and that's Lace. They're all running from you. Running goats, running goats. This is where the water's pumping into. It's pumping into this thing right here, an overflow. And there's gunk in there. Oh, that's cold, that's cold, that's cold. But anyways, water flows into that. It goes from there into that. That was cold. But one thing about it, Joe. But one thing about it, it's small. It's a, let me see if I can tap this. There it is. Hi again. I couldn't see myself, but it's kind of small for me. Oh, and there's one of our kitties. That would be, I don't know, it's mid-cat, I guess. But anyways, it's kind of small. So I'm going to replace it with this. And that's what this video is about. We're going to show you how I'm going to do this, because this has a lot of moving parts. Look, I gotta take out all, I gotta move all, oops, Christmas decoration. Gotta move all those rocks. Let me get back in there. I gotta drain all this water, get these guys out of here, put them in a safe tank over here, and then move that over here. So I'm gonna take you on a journey of that today on this video. It's gonna take a few days to record. Oh, my hand is so wet now. So I hope you enjoy. And there you have it, part one of the pond getting moved. See, we gotta first move all, let's see if we can get down there. There we go. Gotta get all those blocks moved right there, all that right there moved. And then the next step, which we'll go into next, is draining this down, moving it out there, then start catching all these guys in here, if you can see them, like the fishes in there, and then they'll go into that when it's out there. So, let's go on to the next step. Found out there's a little crack in it, but you know, it's just draining. Not seeing anything. that settle. I'm gonna let that settle. And then I'll come back, start transferring water from that to that, and then work on the fish. So that's next. I'm gonna go warm my hands up for a few minutes because it's cold out. We've got this moved. Got some gloves on now because I gotta get some rocks out of there. Now it's time to transfer water from here to there and then the fish. So let's start with the water. There you go. Now we've got to get the fish. I forgot to push play when I was moving all this shit out. Well, anyways, there, it's all moved out. I caught a few fish. And got it moved right there. So now we're gonna close this gate because one of the goats got out. Close this gate up. And then we're gonna try to make sure it's cleared out so we can get the big one in there. Good, looks good. Now I'm gonna go get my step kid and we're gonna start the process of moving this big bad mother trucker in here. Y'all. Okay, I'm gonna figure this out because yeah, my stepson doesn't want to be on film, which I get. So I'm gonna try to figure this out myself. This is gonna be entertaining and everything else. So. Okay, so got it this far by myself, and I lost a couple lights, and once I get laid back down, we'll come back to it. Wow, 13 minutes, not bad. All right, I'll talk to you guys shortly. Well, like I said, my stepson didn't want to be in the video, and I'm not gonna lie, I was a bit frustrated, but he made some good points. You sleuths on the internet can, you can find people. Even with simple, you know, background stuff, you can find people, and he didn't want to take that chance. Can't disagree with that, now can I? But look what we got. We got it in here. He came over and helped me finish off the last finish it off. He finished off the last so many bits of it, and here we got it in place. And so now we're just filling it up, and we're going to introduce the fish, and hopefully everything goes good. So let's fill this bad boy up. Well, as you guys saw, oh, we're on cinematic. As you guys saw, the pond's still filling up. And after it fills up, you know, I've already started putting the rocks in. After it fills up and I get all this done, we'll take a better look at it. So, yeah, next part is filling it up and explaining a little bit about it. So talk to you then. Now, there's something I forgot about getting old hot tubs and using them for ponds and stuff. Leaks. That's right, leaks. And I found out that we have leaks all through there in every one of those pipes. Drain's not draining too fast, so I've got to work on getting the drain cleaned. And then we have a leak in here. So I'm draining the whole thing down. Got to move the fish out into there for right now, and oh, it's got a leak too. I've got to find somewhere to put them, but I got to put some fiberglass resin right here on all the possible holes. Now I got to find somewhere to store the fish, because it seems that there's a leak there too. So I got to find a place to put the fish right now. So back to the drawing board. Cut. So got it drained. Now it's time to fiberglass up the holes and get the fish back in here. I got like a 2-hour time frame, so I've got to do this quick. Got to make sure I got everything out and then go from there. So now let's fiberglass. Try that out. So if things go good, I think I've got all the let's see, all the holes or vents and jets, everything. I think I've got it all plugged up. So now we're filling it back up, and then I'll show you the final results, because you know, as you can see, I got some work to do on the sides. I want to put a little gravel down, but I'll probably just finish up the sides and get it flowing in the next day or so and show you guys what it looks like. So like I said, right now we're filling it up, so let's cross the fingers. Hopefully we got it done right this time. It looks like I finally have the pond finish. It took a little while, but let's show you what I got. So yes, this is our pond. It took me forever, and I don't know how long this journey's been going on. And I'll get some shots of it tonight, and I'll put it on a GoPro or a stick and get in there and show you. But it literally took that long to figure everything out, because I didn't know what I was doing. Making this hot tub, a freaking pond, was a lot of work. So, because see, I tried using that liner right there. That was all in here, you know. At first, we just tried to trust the people. They told us that, hey, there's no holes in here. So we just, you know, closed off everything we could and just filled it up. It leaked. That didn't work. So we drained it down, and then I put fiberglass stuff, you know, for boats and stuff over every one of the holes. That didn't work. There was still a leak somewhere. Then we tried the pond liner. That didn't work. And then me and my wife, we tried to do the, you know, the whole Flex Seal and waterproof tape. So waterproof tape, Flex Seal. Nope, still had holes. What I ended up having to do was there was some pipes back here I had to get into. And if you can see the pipes that I covered there and there and there. Oh, no, not there. Oh, right there, there, and there, and there. But that was feeding most of these pipes. So we just blocked those pipes off, and now we have a good flow going, as you can see. And I don't know if I mentioned in the beginning, we've got the water going through there, going into a pump in the back of the house over there, going up into that filter, which that's a natural filter. Hang on, I need screen. There we go. That right there is a natural filter, which it has like sand, gravel, charcoal, some mesh, and it catches all the bad elements and it rushes back in here. And if you can see, it's kind of clearing up. Like I said, I'm gonna get some filters on this, the UV filter, so we can get rid of some of that glare. We're gonna take a dive in there, but it's been about 3 days now, and you can actually start seeing it. And yeah, and then it's gonna be our full-on pond. And as you can see right now, we got the skull back there. We're gonna get flowers and stuff going through there, trees, flowers, or you know, something nice. We'll do more paving through here, some gravel and stuff, make it nice. Block this off so our goats can't get in here. And we need to show you our goats sometime. So anyways, the pond is finished, and maybe later this summer when we get a little more money, this will be a lot prettier looking. But right now, we got fish swimming, and they're happy little guys. And so yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for this joining me on this journey. And you have any questions, please hit me up below, because I know I didn't cover half of it. I just wanted to show you the journey of this. And I think aliens are coming. But anyways, I will talk to you later. I'm gonna go get some filters on this and do some pictures of inside the pond, and you see the pictures.